We are born Indian, we live Indian, and we will die Indian. Hindus killing Muslims, Muslims killing Hindus. We hear pastors being burned down, churches being destroyed.
Now the next speaker is Logan J.K. Tamin, who is from Nagaland, and he is going to present his speech on Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji in English language.
भारत देश महान, इस मिट्टी में जन्म लिए कितने वीर जवान, और इसी पावन मिट्टी से पनपे हुए आज मैं श्री अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी जी हमारे पूर्व प्रधानमंत्री के बारे में कुछ चंद शब्द कहना चाहता हूं. My greetings to you all, respected dignitaries, all the youths, and 1.3 billion Indians watching us today in the Sunset TV. I am Shri Logan J.K. Tamin, representing the state of Nagaland. And I believe the greatness of a person can be understood by what he or she stood for. And in the case of Atalji, he stood for the unity, progress and development of this nation. He was born in 1924 and he left for heaven in 2018. And just 15 years of age, when our boys, the present people, we play marbles and all, we play PUBG. He joined RSS with the sole purpose to serve the nation. In 1942, he gladly served 20 plus days of prison for participating in the Quit India movement. Are we as strong as him? I doubt that, but we can be. He is the source behind the formation of world's largest political party, that is the current ruling government, the BJP. And there are numerous achievements. And if I start listing it out, I don't think we'll have enough time. And I thank my fellow speakers for listing some of them very cleanly. In his maiden speech in this very parliament, the front row he was sitting, he says this clearly out for each and every one of us to hear. That whether he lives or not, whether the political parties remains or not, India should remain strong. India should grow. It should progress. But where are we heading now? In the secular nation of India, we hear Hindus killing Muslims, Muslims killing Hindus. We hear pastors being burned down, churches being destroyed. Is this the India our ancestors stood for? Is this why Mahatma Gandhi, Atalji, Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya ji stood for? I don't think so. And I don't think any Indian with the right mind will disagree with me. This is not the India of our dreams. This is not the India of our ancestors. So I want to request each and every one of you to cast aside your ego, your prejudice, to come together as an Indian, and so that we can proudly say that we are born Indian, we live Indian, and we will die Indian. And from the state I come from, both in Arunachal and Nagaland, whenever we say Bharat Mata Ki Jai, we don't sit, but we stand. Can we all together stand on our feet, wherever you are, whoever can hear us? जो भी मुझे सुन सकते हैं, अपने पैरों में खड़े हो जाइए और साथ हम मिलके एक ऐसी गूंज करते हैं जिनका आवाज जो है इस संसद भवन का कन कन तक पहुंचना चाहिए. और दिल्ली, ना ही बस दिल्ली, जम्मू कश्मीर से लेके कन्याकुमारी, गुजरात से लेके अरुणाचल प्रदेश तक हमारा जो वॉइस है वो पहुंचना चाहिए. तो मेरे साथ आप लोग दोहराइए, भारत माता की, भारत माता की, भारत माता की. Thank you. Have a great day.